Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about the major crops of India. In previous video, we discussed about the types of crops which has been taken in India, which has been divided in three parts: Kharif crop, Rabi crop, and Zaid crops. Right now, in detail, which type of crops which we grow. That has been divided into mainly four parts. First, major crops. Major crops or food grains, right? That includes wheat, maize, rice, millet, that are included as a that are taken as a major crops. Next, crops other than grains, that are sugarcane, tea, coffee, oilseeds. Tea, coffee is included, tea, coffee and cocoa that are included as a beverage, right? Means hot drinks. And sugarcane is taken as a cash crops. Mainly this production is done to earn more money. And oilseeds, from where or from which we can obtain oil, right? Next is non-food crops. Non-food crops means the crops which has been taken only for the commercial purposes, right? Like plantations of rubber, jute and fiber crops. Fiber crops means from where we can obtain silk, cotton, that type of crops. सेरिकल्चर, राइट? सिल्क के जो वॉर्म्स होते हैं उसको रेयर करके उसमें से सिल्क ऑब्टेन किया जाता है. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज हॉर्टिकल्चर क्रॉप्स. Horticulture crops includes pea, potato, onion, cabbage and tomato. Here some of the examples are given, but mainly fruits and vegetables are included here. Okay, now let us first discuss about the grain crops or food grains. That includes rice or paddy, wheat, millet, maize and pulses. First है rice, right? Rice is a kharif crop of torrid zone. Mainly it requires fertile alluvial soil, and the temperature it requires, that is minimum 20 degrees Celsius, means hot and humid temperature is required. Especially it is grown where waterlogged is more, and the rainfall which is required, that is more than 100 centimeters. And the areas which are grown, that is Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Orissa. These are the major areas where rice are grown. And in Gujarat, it is grown in the area of Surat, Tapi, Panchmahal, Ahmedabad, Kheda, Anand, Valsad, etc. Right? And half of the India's population use rice as their staple food. So, in production of rice, India stands second in the world after China. First rank goes to China. The production of rice is maximum in China, and the second number, maximum production is done in India. And it is sown over 1/4 of our total sown area. जो इंडिया का टोटल एग्रीकल्चरल एरिया है उसमें से 1/4 में पैडी ग्रो किया जाता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट है वीट. वीट इज़ ए राबी क्रॉप ऑफ टेम्परेट जोन, राइट? ये राबी क्रॉप है बिकॉज इट इज़ ग्रोन इन द विंटर सीजन. इट रिक्वायर्स ब्लैक और फर्टाइल लोमी सॉइल, राइट? ब्लैक सॉइल में और फर्टाइल लोमी सॉइल हो उसमें ये ग्रो किया जाता है. टेम्परेचर इसको ज़्यादा ही चाहिए बिकॉज इट इज़ ग्रोन इन द एरिया ऑफ टेम्परेट जोन. And rainfall required, that is 75 centimeter to 100 centimeter. And maximum wheat is grown in Punjab, right? except Punjab, it is grown in Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and West Bengal. In Gujarat, Bhalia wheat is famous because it is grown in Bhal region. Except there, Mehsana, Rajkot, Junagadh, and Kheda, these are the areas where it is grown. And it is grown in 1/3 area of our लैंड राइट जो टोटल सोन एरिया है उसमें से 1/3 एरिया में wheat is grown, and after the green revolution the wheat production has almost doubled, right, and it is known as king of grains because mainly in northern India people are eating wheat, and wheat is the main food of other people, especially in coastal areas people are eating rice. But in another area, especially in mountainous area and in that areas, people have chosen wheat as their main food. Next है millets, right. Millets include ragi, jowar and bajri. All the three things are included in millet. That is taken in both the season, right. Especially it is taken in winter season because it requires very less water. But still, some of the people, those who are connected with agriculture, so as a fodder they are growing in all the seasons. Okay, it requires light sandy soil. बहुत फर्टाइल सोइल नहीं है तो भी ये ग्रो हो सकता है, स्पेशली बाजरी एंड जुआर. और रागी है वो छोटे छोटे राई जैसे होते हैं जो मेनली उसको मिक्स करके यूज़ किया जाता है, राइट. और ख़ास करके ये चीज़ें जो ड्राई रीजन है वहाँ पे ज़्यादा खाई जाती है, बाजरा है, ज्वार है और रागी. तो it is grown in light sandy soil. Temperature it requires that is 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, and rainfall also it requires less, 40 to 50 centimeter. It is grown mainly in Rajasthan, Gujarat, UP and Maharashtra. And in Gujarat, highest grown millet are highest grown in the area of Banaskantha. And it is considered to be the grain of laborers, right. जो मज़दूर लोग हैं उनका ये स्पेशल फूड माना जाता है. इट इज़ नोन एज द ग्रेन ऑफ लेबरर्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट है मेज. मेज इज़ ए खरीफ क्रॉप. इट इज़ ग्रोन इन द एरिया ऑफ स्लोपी, ब्लैक, हार्ड रॉकी सॉइल एंड वाटर हैविंग जेंटल फ्लो, राइट. मेज के लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा पानी की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है, एंड मेनली इट कैन बी ग्रोन इन द एरियाज वेयर रॉकी सॉइल और स्लोपी सॉइल एंड ऑल्सो इन द ब्लैक हार्ड सॉइल. टेम्परेचर इट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड दैट इज़ 21 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 27 degree Celsius temperature it requires, and especially it is grown in Karnataka, UP, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. These are the areas where maize are grown. And in Gujarat it is grown in the areas of Panchmahal, Dahod, dry regions, right. These are the dry regions of Gujarat, then Sabarkantha and Aravalli district. And it is the third most grown crop in the world after paddy and wheat. Paddy और wheat के बाद ये थर्ड क्रॉप है वर्ल्ड का जिसको यूज़ किया जाता है. एंड इन मेकिंग इट इज़ यूज्ड इन इंडस्ट्रीज, राइट. पॉपकॉर्न्स और मेज़ की बहुत सारी फूड प्रोडक्ट्स अभी मार्केट में अवेलेबल है. सो इट इज़ मेकिंग इन रोटीज़, पॉपकॉर्न्स एंड एडिबल ऑयल. स्पेशली ऑयल कैन बी एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मेज ऑयल. एंड ऑल्सो एनिमल फोडर, राइट. एनिमल्स के लिए ये बेस्ट है, तो एनिमल फोडर के लिए भी ये यूज़ होता है. नेक्स्ट है पल्सेस. पल्सेस includes moong, mat, urad, arhar. That type of lots of varieties of pulses are available to us that are included here in this part. It can be grown in dry conditions. Especially different type of pulses are grown in winter, right? Because it requires less moisture. Okay, and especially that are grown, almost it is grown in all over the India, but especially or major states which grows or which get more production of pulses, that are Rajasthan, UP and MP. India's largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world, and it is major source of protein. More protein can be obtained through pulses. So pulses are rich in protein and that are used in our day-to-day life. Pulses need less moisture and and survive even in dry condition. तो pulses के लिए moisture की कम ज़रूरत है और dry conditions में भी वो grow हो सकते हैं. And being leguminous crop, all these crops except arhar help in restoring soil fertile by filling nitrogen from the air. और पल्सेस है वो क्रॉप रोटेशन का एक पार्ट है, उसकी वजह से सॉइल में जो फर्टिलिटी का लेवल है वो भी मेंटेन करने में पल्सेस हेल्पफुल है, राइट. सो देयरफॉर देर आर मोस्टली ग्रोन इन रोटेशन विथ अदर क्रॉप्स. तो जितने भी बाकी क्रॉप्स ग्रो किया जाता है उसके साथ पल्सेस को भी रोटेशन में लिया जाता है. इसके साथ स्पाइसेस है अलग अलग, उसको भी इंक्लूड किया जाता है. तो रोटेशन के लिए, रोटेशन करने से क्या होगा कि सॉइल की जो फर्टिलिटी है वो मेंटेन हो जाती है. सो इसलिए भी पल्सेस इम्पॉर्टेंट है. Major pulses producing states are मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश, राजस्थान, महाराष्ट्र एंड कर्नाटक. ये जो स्टेट्स है वहाँ पे मेजर प्रोडक्शंस होता है. Even in Gujarat it can be grown in Junagadh district, Amreli district. There we can find this type of production more. Okay. In next topic we will discuss about the oil seeds.